Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we will take a look at MEGA Collabs with Frank Kozik, first ever brick build Labbit. Okay, brick build Labbit. This is the intro. Text from Mega. Thanks for this. This box came to me on the weekend of her Designer Con 2019, so it was a bit tricky. I was not able to proceed to review the figure, hence a bit delayed, so I thought might as well do it now instead of rushing it out then. So have a look at the box. What's going to happen is I'm going to take a look at what's inside the package. This is the first time I'm opening this, by the way, so I'm going to take a look at what is inside the package. And I doubt if I can build it in time, but I will add that video as we go along. So this video will just be an introduction of what this figure is, my thoughts on it, and yeah, we'll leave it at that. Okay, bear with me as I attempt to take this out. Ta-da! Okay, this is a look at the box. I'm sure the lighting is a bit bright. Kozik, nice. MEGA Collabs, yes, nice. These are stickers actually on the black box. Yeah, it's a sticker cutout. These are all sticker cutouts, which is cool. Okay, hear the sounds. Before I open this, or as I'm attempting to open this, I'll share with you my thoughts on Lego bricks. This will go a little bit personal. When I had my stroke in 2010, one of the things I did during rehabilitation was actually playing with Lego bricks. This was something that was taught up by my therapist, Pauline. And initially when I first looked at the bricks that she put in front of me, I was like, you know, I just had stroke lah. Why are you asking me to play with Lego bricks? But then I soon realized it was not as easy as I remembered it to be, because as part of my stroke, my right hand, master hand, was non-functional to a certain degree, so I had to relearn my motor functions. And imagine relearning my motor functions and redoing bricks like this is actually quite a hassle. Trying to pick up small bricks is an hassle. It's a hassle. Things we take for granted, like, you know, you can just pick it up like this. But when I was recovering from stroke, it wasn't the case. It was a bit hard. And even if there was a instruction booklet, I'm sure there would be an instruction booklet as well here, it was hard for me to retain my attention, focus my visuals, and remember what was it that I needed to do. So as a stroke survivor, to me, playing Lego is not just Lego, it's much more than that. So when I was approached to consider talking about this figure, I was pretty ecstatic, but at the same time the timing wasn't great, so I could not justify the timing. And unfortunately I was correct that the figure did not come in time for me to review it before it launched. Anyway, long story short, these are not the blocks that are needed as part of the build. I'm sorry there's this bell ringing in the background because downstairs of my house somebody's selling ice cream. That's it in Singapore, you know, the ice cream truck comes and the dude has a bell, ring-a-ling, selling ice cream. So maybe choosing right now to do a review is not exactly a good time. Nevertheless, I probably will, if I can edit it, do this fast motion. is it. Let's see what's inside the box. Ah, a box within a box. Yeah. More bricks inside. These are all in line with the theme of like packing peanuts, but it's solid bricks. So I'm gonna have fun with this. I mean, imagine using these to build something else, like a diorama. Can it be used? Yeah, it can be done. Yeah, I'll see a collection of these bricks later on. See what we can do with this. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the box. This is the box. It's a much smaller box. Oh, nice. Let's have a look at what's inside. Oh, nice. A box within a box within a box. Okay. Ah, this is how the box is. You can build me. That's it. Cute. Cute. So I imagine once it's built, I could comfortably sit it like this and on display on the shelf with this in the background. So this is the diorama. So I thought, that's okay, this is pretty cool. So once the figure is built here, you can go on this. See if I can super the image here. Yeah, okay, you roughly know what I mean lah. And with the additional bricks that are part of the packing peanuts, they call it, maybe I can build a diorama around it. This is a box of toy. Let's open up and see what's inside. I more likely will not build this figure right now. I'll find some time to build it. This video is for you to see what's going on. Ah, okay. The figure comes in, or rather comes with a instruction booklet. Nice. Write about the artists and the folks behind the scenes. Oh nice, these are all the instructions. Okay, you see it here. Instructions on how to build your Labbit. It's stressing me out already. And I wonder why the camera is so blurred. Anyway. So the figure comes in packets. Numbered packets. Oh, that's nice. To help folks like me understand what is needed to build the figure. Yeah. So yeah. This is your look at the Mega Collab with Frank Kozik buildable Labbit. This is the package. So hopefully in the next image you will see the finished Labbit. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait, I forgot. There is a 5th packet. That's found in the bag. So yeah, package number 5. See ya. Okay, so this is an additional aspect of the video. This is a container that was used. And what I would like to do is all the loose bricks. Just want to see how many there are to add it to the box. So as you can see here, it's quite a lot. Wow, that's quite a lot. So these are essentially not part of the figure, but it's like it's used as a packing peanuts. So I think this would be quite fun. I have an idea what I could use this for. It might not necessarily be for the Labbit, but we'll see.